Everyone, it's your maths class, unit number 6, exercise number 6b, class 8. Already we done exercise 6a. Now today we will start exercise 6b. First question number 1, which is given in your book, page number 111. Question is, factorize the following. The first part, different method we will apply in this exercise. Now first part, dx plus dy plus dz. Okay, three terms are given in this question. In this part, first check common variable. D is common in all three terms, so we take out the common D. Remaining variable x plus y plus z as it is copied down. Done first part. Okay, if your question is given three terms or two terms, just check any common number or variable. So take out the common variable or number, remaining variable or number as it is copied down. So D, round bracket open, x plus y plus z would be the answer of first part. Now second part, 16 minus 24x is given. In this part we have two terms. Okay, first term, two terms are given. In this part, 16 and 24, common number 8. 8 3s are 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 32, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So 8 is a common, so it's a direct method. Common 8, 8 2s are 16, minus as it is copied down, 8 3s are 24x. Okay, x, round bracket open, 2 minus 3x would be the answer of part B. Okay, second method, in both the parts we have common number or common table 2. 2 common, 2 8s are 16 minus 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, x as it is copied. First step. Now again in this bracket we have common 2, this 2 as it is copied, 2 multiply by, or it's up to you, use round bracket. 2 again common, 2 4s are 8 minus 2 6s are 12x. Next step, again in this bracket, only in this bracket 2 common, so this 2 for first part, this 2 step of second step. Again we have common 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6x. Okay, so it's a direct method, or this one, second one, step by step we solve. First common 2, so 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24. Again we have common in this bracket 2, so 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Again we check in this part if both are even number, common is 2, we take out common 2, so 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now in this step 2 and 3 not common in this step, so the last step, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, round bracket open, 2 minus x would be the answer of this part. Girls, it's up to you, copy any one. First one, it's a direct method. Second one, solve within 4 steps. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. But both answers are same. 8 round bracket open, 2 minus 3x. Next part, C13ax plus 12ay. In this part, two terms are given. In both the terms, 3a common. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So table of 3 common and variable a common in both the terms. So 3a we take out common. Now in this part, okay, sorry, x is left. We take out common variable a. So in the first term, x is left. Plus sign as it is copied. 3 fours are 12 and y is left. Clear? After take out the common variable and common number, x plus 4y is left. After take out the common. Now in this bracket, nothing is common, x plus 4y. So this step would be the answer of part C.